tomorrow morning, the others will come for you, doing everything they can to kill you.
Take this knife back to your quarters.
And kill them.
Kill anyone who wants to kill you or harm the baby.
Don't do it. That isn't you. You're a good person, Edward.
We're humans.